So these are the latest pharmaceutical walk-in interviews for freshers candidates. So all the video is about freshers walk-in interviews only. So please don't skip the video and watch carefully so that you can gain insights into the latest freshers walk-in interviews. So coming to the first company, which is Incube Ethicals Private Limited. So this company is conducting walk-in interview for the departments quality control, engineering, quality assurance, manufacturing, and packaging departments. The experience is all our freshers vacancies, qualification B Farm, M Farm, MSc, diploma mechanical or electrical instrumentation, so etc. So the venue is the Red Maple, Jomir Ghat, Rasalpura Rao, Indore, India. So these are the walk-in interview is 9th September, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So coming to the next interview, which is from Finicure Pharmaceuticals Limited. So the walk-in on 7th and 12th September, reporting time 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Venue here you can see Mondial Heights near Iskon Circle, SG Highway, Ahmedabad. So the vacancies in the department are for freshers in QA, QC, ADL, FR&D, trainee officer. So the qualification is B Farm, M Farm, fresher, experienced candidates. So coming to the next vacancy, which is a mini job mela at Vijayanaram district for BSc and any degree and SSC pass or fail candidates from Deccan Fine Chemicals, Arabindo and Team Lease. So please utilize the opportunity. Date of walk-in is 8 September 9 a.m. So coming to the next vacancy. So before that, the venue is for this is Government ITI College, VT Agraharam beside TTDC. So coming to the walk-in interview from Hetero Drugs Limited. So these are walk-in interviews for freshers, BSc any life science, BSc chemistry, B Farm, M Farm, MSc, BTech, ITI fitters, diploma mechanical, MSc chemistry, degree and PG online for degree and PG candidates. Online test will be there, so you need to carry your mobile phone with the internet facility. So 2021, 2022, 2023 pass outs only. So the opportunity is for candidates having below 27 years of age only. So these are the details, my dear friends. The venue is Vijata Degree and PG College, Miryalaguda, Nalgonda district. So the next opportunity comes from AR Life Sciences Private Limited for R&D, AR&D Quality Control Department. So MSc Organic Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry, MSc Chemistry, HPLC and GC Instrumentation. So freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. The date of walk-in is 10th September. Male candidates are preferable. So desired candidates can apply and share your resume to the following mail ID. The interview and job location AR Life Sciences Private Limited, Hyderabad. So let us move on to the next company. So this company is Anora. So you might have heard about this company, and this company is conducting walk-ins in the department production, warehouse, and packaging departments. The qualification is B Farm, MSc, BSc, Diploma, ITA, MSc, BSc, and BCom candidates are also eligible. M Pharmacy and Diploma, ITA candidates are eligible. Updated resume, educational certificates, appointment letter, increment letter, 3-month pay slips, and ID proof. The walk-in is on 9 September, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Venue is Annaram Village, Jinnaram Mandal, Hyderabad. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Stay tuned for job updates like this.